425. 425? Yeah, I like to go high. I go 415. Large. Ah, that's nice right there. I say 435 first, and you went real low, so I was like, I'll do 425.
Why would you ever order that? A 9-patty burger.
It was delicious.
Show that thing on the camera.
I've done it. The triple from Jake's way back.
That is awful.
I ate that motherfucker with ease. Years ago,
I've never had more than a triple patty.
Have you ever had cheeseburger?
What?
It was a place
on Main Street?
It used to be on Main Street. But there used to be one near me too.
Oh.
Where with Two Stones it is now. There used to be a cheeseburger there. That was the first thing ever in that building. And I really wasn't big on cheeseburgers back in the day, and I just told this story recently to you guys. I didn't start
eating. There was a time in your life you didn't like cheeseburgers?
Yes.
What about pizza?
Oh, no. I used to go to Five Guys and eat 2 double bacon burgers. No problem. And a fry.
Jesus. I could never.
I don't think, just picturing what my body is going through internally while eating one of them, 2 of them, I couldn't do it to myself. I couldn't. Unless I severely gave up on life.
Here it is.
I mean, looks like him. It doesn't look like Garrett.
I mean, I could easily
look how
eat that burger.
Is that the 1 pound burger?
Yeah. Matt,
2 SP list right now?
You and I talked about doing triple from Jake's way back, right?
We talked about it.
Yeah, and you would do it, right?
A heartbeat.
Yeah, okay. Thanks.
I have one over here right now. I just ate lunch.
I'm just saying, I've done it, so I mean, it's
good for you.
I'm just saying, you know. Get the away from me. Now, have you ever done the cheeseburger 1 pound challenge?
No.
Yeah, I never did it.
A cheeseburger?
Yeah. The one that was on Main Street, and then there was one down near me.
Oh man.
Cheeseburger.
I might have been there once. I don't even know if I ever went in there.
There's one in Kennett Square now that my friend goes to. We go to when I go over his house.
I'm plugged that fan.
But no, dude, I say one weekend, and you guys, since you don't want to do it, you watch me and Matt take it down.
I'll eat as much as I can, but.
Well, it used to be $16 back in the day, but you know it's $16 for double now.
I don't know how much it costs, but I do know I have no plans this weekend.
You have COVID-19. Yeah, I have a lot of to do this weekend. I'm real busy this weekend. I have Friendsgiving on Sunday.
Really?
Yeah.
Before Thanksgiving?
I mean, that's usually when you do it.
Mine always after. Usually Black Fridays.
Kyle was supposed to have one this weekend as well, but it canceled.
Luckily, it got canceled.
Yeah, luckily, so it didn't kill everybody.
I have 2 Black Fridays, so I have to make a decision.
You have 2 Black Fridays?
You have 2 Black Fridays, huh?
I have 2 Friendsgivings on Thanks Friday.
Thanks Friday.
Thanks Friday.
I'm just trying to think of how you have
friends on Thanks Friday.
I'm just trying to think of how you have 2 Black Fridays. That's what I'm wondering. I mean, that doesn't mean you have 2 Black Fridays.
You know what I'm trying to say. I said I have 2 on Black Friday, and you just heard me wrong.
You have 2 Thanksgiving dinners on Black Friday?
Kyle, can you explain to him what I'm trying to say?
I mean, I don't understand.
I'm not getting it either.
I said I have 2 Friendsgivings on Friday,
So
and I
it's
need to choose between them.
No, first you said Black Fridays.
I said I have 2 Friendsgiving on Black Friday, and you heard Black Fridays.
No, the first thing you said was you have 2 Black Fridays. Exactly. That's why we were confused.
You know what,
Thank you, Derek.
All right, Eric. So what all's going on with this one?
Let's get headers in there and take simple little.
Okay. I think this thing might hit 500. Baseline pretty high. Good.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't think so. No way.
No.
It's not going to pick up 60 on headers and intake. No way now. I might make 460, something like that. Maybe.
You think it only pick up 20? Baseline 441.
470 most. I don't see it making 500.
I'm saying, I think it's gonna make 480.
It's the thing, just headers and rotofab.
Easy enough.
Baseline pretty high. It's 441.
Which is 21.
Yeah. Garrett wanted to know if it's gonna make 500. Just the headers and the intake. No. Yeah. That's what I told him. You might be close.
But I doubt it.
Yeah, I don't think so.
Chevy SS's pick up a lot bolt-on, but these don't pick up that much. You might make 480.
That was his guess.
Yeah, that's what I
Something like
guess is
that.
480.
We'll probably find out in a couple days.
Yeah.
So I guess everything forward from there is gonna be American racing stuff.
Nah, just cut it off so I can weld it back on. Just practice, you know.
Oh, okay, yeah. You're welding on those other pipes the other day.
Fuck them things. Yeah, it is a lot.
Especially as someone who like doesn't drink coffee or anything. Like, well, I drink when I take a bang and things me up.
Yeah, dude, I know. Those bangs. The bangs in the range, they'll get me fired up. Have you ever had the f***ing monster like Gatorade? Like it's like a...
Oh, I've seen it, but I've never gotten it.
Can't you touch your butthole?
Does Fran have to flash this before you can start it?
No.
Okay. I didn't think so, with just being headers and an intake, but...
Well, you thought right. Not too often you could do that, huh?
I was gonna ask you a question, because you're doing a card style math right now. My car is tube style, so if I did want to do like the 5-inch intake, I assume I have to switch to a card style math.
Correct.
Is it a pain in the ass to just switch them over?
On your car, I forget. It's maybe like you have to. I think you have to switch a wire. Yeah, on your car on the SS, you have to just swap 2 wires. I have.
Oh, okay.
I believe so. And Fran will obviously have to flash it.
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
You know. But yeah, they're it's like that Caprice that was just here.
Yeah.
Remember, it was running like shit. I had to swap the 2 wires on the math. I have the wiring diagram when you go to do it. It's not really man, this thing goes this way on this. I never had them go upside down like that. I guess it does, because that's the way it sits. So interesting. Oh, I'm used to doing bets where it's on that side, so yeah, if it was flipped, it'd be the other way. Duh. Not often I get to do these Camaros. I've done a bunch back in the day, but, you know, just came to the point one day where Matt said he enjoyed doing the Camaros more, and I enjoyed doing the vets more, so that's how we do it.
I didn't know that was the reason why.
Yeah. I mean, I'd much rather work on the Corvette, he'd much rather work on the Camaro, so.
I think this might be the first like 6th gen Camaros I've seen.
Definitely the first 6th gen I've worked on since you've been.
Okay.
No doubt. I haven't worked on a 6th gen in a long time.
All right, 2021 Camaro. Simple. We got American Racing headers, high flow cats, NGK spark plugs, and a rotofab. And now we're tuning it. Let's see what it does. The tack was f***ing way f***ed up on this thing. So I made 441 on the baseline, and with the tack and everything f***ed up there, first pull it made 464. So, all right, let's try this again. This thing is quiet. It doesn't have a dual mode exhaust. 462, 478. Okay. I mean, this should obviously be pretty simple because we did headers and an air intake, but. 464. I mean, obviously this thing's not going to make a ton more than that, but I'm just playing with it now. I might try and get it to make a couple more, but only so much to play with when you just do simple mods, you know? .466, 480. That's about it for this thing. Yeah, I'll make one more pull, and then that's probably it. Funny, I'm doing a remote tune for the guy that we built that silver ZR1 for, like one of his buddies' like trucks or something. And I'm like, man, like something on the passenger side, like plug or wire or something's up. Like it's not reading right. And he just sends me this picture. Plug wire broken in half. That will do that. That's a good thing about when you do enough of these things, like you can spot little things in the data log that, you know, a normal person might not feel like, because the truck has a cam in it. So a lot of times, like normal people that don't do this every day, like can't really tell if the car's like missing or stumbling or something like that, to where if I was tuning it in person, like I can tell, obviously. But when you're remote tuning stuff, a lot of times you can't see that stuff, so you have to like pick up little things on the data log and stuff like that. I'm glad he figured it out. .464, 479. That's all this thing's got. So that's it for this thing. So on to the next. Later.